Welcome to the 2014 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. This truck is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine and made it up to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks, and mirrors, push button fog lights, as well as your automatic headlights. Integrated trailer braking system as well from the factory. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Truck does have your 4-wheel drive there as well. 4 lock, 4 low, 2-wheel drive, keyed ignition. You have the Ram entertainment system there. Auxiliary port available, as well as single zone climate, tow haul, traction control, and outlets there. You do have USB ports up front. You do have the two-tone interior, gray black there as well, and your cloth seating in the Ram 1500 SLT Outdoorsman. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Outdoorsman Ram, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, the BF Goodwrench all-terrain TA tires. You do have that two-tone exterior, the beautiful red metallic and the gray undertone there. You have Dodge OEM running boards, foldable and extendable, as well as the Ram mirrors there, the tow mirrors. Hemi badging. Coming down to the front of the truck, halogen light bulbs, fog lights, recovery hooks, as well as the color match grille. You do have a double cab truck, so the smaller doors with rear tinted privacy windows. Coming down, your Outdoorsman badging, Ram OEM mud flaps on all 4 corners, SLT badging as well there, 4x4 lock-in tailgate with the trailer tow package. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Ram, we have the cloth 60/40 split, solid rear window with defrost as well. You have dome lighting over top, a nice solid roof. Your seats do fold up and give you that option that Ram has for the flat surface, make it easier to use that space. OEM Ram mats, as well as a 12-volt in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2011 Ram 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.